Good morning, everyone. Ethan Steeper here with Steeper Weather Forecasting. I've got another long-range forecast video. We're going to talk a lot of weather this week. First off, some rain chances Tuesday into Wednesday, and then a little bit of relief from the heat before it builds back up again for the weekends. First off, up on your screen is the drought monitor. This came out last Thursday. Notice most if not all the area is under that first category, the abnormally dry category. We do have a moderate drought up here in portions of Edgar County and far northwestern Coles County, or northeastern Coles County. We may see some relief from that this week. We did get about a half an inch of rain here in the only area on Sunday morning, it would have been. So that was much welcome relief, especially for all the farmers and anyone who's got crops or gardens going out right now. That rain was a much needed relief. We see more of that on the way this week. So let's talk temperatures first today. Today, another warm one. We will see that heat and humidity out in full force once again. Highs looking to top off around that 90-degree mark with heat index values right around the same thing, 90, maybe pushing into the lower to mid-90s for that heat index value. Tomorrow, we do see a slight chance of severe weather well off to our north. We're in what we call a marginal risk right now. This is the low end of the scale. We do see some storms that'll bubble up. I'll show you that on future radar here in just a second. And on Wednesday, the southern areas along Route 50 and Point South are also in that marginal risk, basically with just some leftover showers and thunderstorms coming through Wednesday morning into midday. So let's time this out for you. If we back this up, we're going to pick this up at, let's say, midnight tonight. So here we are, midnight tonight. Rain, thunderstorms are well off to our north. There could be a pretty good severe weather threat today for Minnesota. So that's the storms you see up there. As we go throughout the overnight hours, notice we stay dry into the morning. Those showers and thunderstorms create a line of kind of severe weather coming through northern Illinois in the morning hours. This is for 8 a.m. tomorrow. As we go later on into the day, those storms continue to move on. Notice here, we'll stop this. This is, let's see, this is 3 p.m. We could see some showers and thunderstorms bubble up in our neck of the woods. We'll have to keep tabs on that. There are several models showing this right now. Somewhere in our area tomorrow afternoon. So we'll have to watch for some showers and thunderstorms to develop tomorrow afternoon. As we go through the afternoon and evening hours, here's 6 p.m. Notice numerous showers and thunderstorms across the area. As we go through the overnight hours, again, you see the same picture. Here's midnight. Maybe the showers and thunderstorms move off to our south just a little bit and subside, but there will be some redevelopment in the overnight hours as they start to lift back north. Here is 7 a.m. tomorrow, or 7 a.m. Wednesday rather, and maybe some more showers and thunderstorms in the area. So you kind of get the picture. Tomorrow afternoon, we could see some showers and thunderstorms bubble up, say probably after 2, 3 o'clock. Those will persist into the overnight hours and on into the first part of the day on Wednesday. Here's just a different model look at it. We'll pick this up at, let's advance this just a little bit. Here we are, 5, this is midnight tonight. So again, you see those showers and thunderstorms coming out of Minnesota as we move through the morning hours. This particular model moves it ahead just a little bit, keeps pushing that storm forward just a little bit more than the last one did. So notice here by 7 a.m. tomorrow morning, it's suggesting maybe some showers and thunderstorms located along a line around I-70. So depending upon the speed at which those storms come out of Minnesota, we could see some showers and thunderstorms in the morning. However, I think the best chance for it will be in the afternoon. As we go through the afternoon hours, here's noon. Notice not much in the way to speak of right now. But then we go later in the day. Notice this starts bubbling the showers and thunderstorms up around, let's say, that 7 p.m. time frame tomorrow evening. So again, we do look to see some showers and thunderstorms bubble up in the area tomorrow. Timing could be anywhere from the afternoon into the early evening hours, but notice this this ramps up the showers and thunderstorms as we go into the overnight hours by, let's see, this is 8 a.m. Wednesday morning. again, we saw all those showers and thunderstorms move through with some leftovers on Wednesday morning. Before that, we'll eventually push out of the area. This stops at noon on Wednesday, so you kind of get the picture. Rainfall amounts look to be pretty decent out of this. We have the potential for some pretty decent rainfall. This is the first model I showed you. This is the HRRR. This is one of the higher res models. And notice for the day, for Tuesday night into Wednesday, the rain system, it does suggest maybe about an inch to a little bit more for where the thunderstorms get camped out along the US 50 corridor. Half an inch to an inch is kind of what we see out of that. Let's see, if we look at the NAM model, or the other kind of forecast model that we were looking at, that was a little bit later on the rainfall timing, we see again pretty well the same picture, maybe just under a half an inch, say between a quarter and a half an inch for the area on Tuesday into Wednesday. So you get the picture. We could see some rain that'll help just kind of moisten up the ground from Tuesday night into Wednesday. Again, I think the severe weather threat shouldn't be too big, but we'll keep tabs on it. As we go later into the week, we will see those temperatures ramp back up again. Tomorrow looks to be a pretty warm day across the area. This is forecast high temperatures for Tuesday afternoon. Notice we're in the mid to upper 90s across the area. This is for 4 p.m. Tomorrow afternoon. So tomorrow's going to be a really warm day. Let's see if the heat indices. Yeah, so the heat index is updated. We're looking 105 to 110. So if you have to be outside tomorrow, drink lots of water, stay covered up as much as possible, and just take a lot of breaks. Keep yourself cool. As we go into the day on Wednesday, notice the rain will provide a little bit of relief. We'll see temperatures back down into the mid-80s, which will be a welcome relief for most of us with heat indexes near 90. So Wednesday will feel a lot better. Thursday, temperatures look to stay down just a little bit. As we go into the day on Friday, though, that temperature is going to ramp back up. This is forecast highs for Friday. We're looking at highs in the low 90s again, with heat index values pushing 100. And into the day on Saturday, we see much of the same thing. Maybe some more rain coming in on Saturday, though. But before the rain, highs again pushing into the mid 90s with heat index values near 100 and over 100. So notice we will have a little bit of break from the heat as we go through probably Wednesday into Thursday, but that heat ramps back up as we go into the weekend with some more rain chances possible on the weekend. Last thing I'll leave you with is the Climate Prediction Center outlooks for temperature and precip. This is the 6 to 10 day. This takes us from Saturday through Wednesday, July 3rd already. Notice above average temperatures. The 8 to 14 day is July 1 to July 7. Again, we keep that above average temperature look, but precip stays above average as well, with June 29 to July 3, slightly above average, and about equal chances as we go through the 8 to 14 day outlook. So stay tuned. Make sure, if you haven't already, subscribe to my YouTube channel, which is where this video is posted. I'll leave a link. I'll leave a little pop-up here that'll show up here in just a second. I did have some issues with Facebook this past week. Thinking one of my posts that I was going to post on last Monday, they decided it was a scam of some sort. So make sure to subscribe to the YouTube channel. All the videos will be up to date on there, and stay tuned for any further updates.